Welcome back. Newly appointed Union Minister for Forests and Environment Virappa Moily has asked 6 states to examine the report of high-level Western Ghats committee. The action came after Kerala and Maharashtra CM met Virappa Moily for review of the report. Goa Government has, however, not made any correspondence for the re-examination of the report. The high-level committee has rejected any activity whatsoever in the Western Ghats in their report.
Soon after the hasty ouster of Jayanti Natarajan, Chief Ministers of Kerala and Maharashtra met the new Union Minister for Forests and Environment, Virappa Moily. CMs of Maharashtra and Kerala have shown displeasure over the recommendations of the high-level Western Ghats Committee. Minister Moily has empowered the states to examine the report of the high-level Western Ghats Committee. Minister Moily has assured the affected states of implementation of report only after taking suggestions from the 6 affected states. The 10-member K. Kasturi Rangan committee had struck down all commercial activities in the Western Ghats, including agriculture. Protests began in Kerala and Maharashtra after the report was publicized. Goa government hasn't made any correspondence in this respect as yet. It's still unclear what suggestions the government of Goa will make, as the report will spell doom for mining industry in Goa. Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
There is no breakthrough yet in the house-breaking thefts and murder at Mugari. Panji police formally arrested 2 robbers on Wednesday who were detained on Tuesday night under the suspicion of bag lifting cases. They are suspected to be involved in many house-breaking, robberies and car thefts around India. However, police haven't found any firm link of the robbers to the house breaks in Goa from last couple of days.
Panji police on Wednesday formally arrested 2 robbers, Shiva and Kanna, from Delhi under suspicion of bag lifting. However, 3 of the accused travelling in the car managed to flee the scene. They were sighted on Mandavi bridge by a constable. Police have seized a Delhi registration car which too is found to be robbed. According to sources in Goa police, the robbers gang has suspected involvement in major house breaks, car thefts and robberies across many states in India. Police will take remand of the robbers on Thursday for interrogation and to investigate a possible link of these robbers in the house breaks that have occurred in Goa since last 3 days. Goa police, however, have neither managed to find link between the house breaks and the robbers arrested, nor the police have managed to collect enough evidence to zero in on culprits. Fear has arisen of the trail running cold in the major robberies in Goa, one of which has cost an innocent man his life. The robbers will be produced in Panji court on Thursday for remand and interrogation. Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.